What's up, everybody? It's your boy Brad Patrol back at it to give another video. As you can see, we got a new MacBook Pro, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. All right, so I took the plastic off. This is the space gray MacBook Pro 13.3 inch. Let's see what's inside. I'm doing this kind of one-handedly. So. Of course, you've got the laptop here in the plastic. It is in fact the gray. Super nice. Love the fit and finish on this. What else comes in the box is a USB-C to C charger, as you can see right here. Designed by Apple in California pamphlet that nobody looks at besides for the stickers. And the charger itself, which I can't get out one-handed. I'm gonna go ahead and get the plastic off of it. So it gets backwards, it is. And there it is. Let's see if it has any power. I did go ahead and already plug in the actual block itself, but we will see. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in anyways. See if we can get it to do the first boot up. There we go. It is taking a decent amount of time to do the first boot up, but that's to be expected. So we're right about at the 3-minute mark for the boot up. This was also out in my car in the cold for a little while, so that might be playing a factor as well. Alright, now we are at the main screen. Go ahead and do the setup process as much as I can for you guys. United States, of course. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. And then we're gonna go ahead and sign in with our Apple ID. Alright, so that was a little weird. It said it couldn't connect to the Apple software right now, so it wouldn't actually let me log in, so I just skipped it for now. Then we're gonna go ahead and later and set that up. Obviously, I'm gonna enter my information in here and create this new computer account. Alright, then we're gonna run through the Express setup. Nothing crazy that I'm gonna change. We're gonna go with the dark mode because that looks better in my opinion. And now we're just waiting for the setup process. And just like that, guys, we are all set and good to go. That is pretty much all of this video for now. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.